let's go to page 551 and start with number 2. Okay, so this one is graphing, so you have x plus y equal to 5. Now, when you're doing graphing, okay, it depends on the equation. So for this one, you want to go and get your intercept points. So if you set x equal to 0, so if x equal to 0, so it's gone, so you can get y equal to 5. And you're going to do the reverse. You're going to set y equal to 0. So this is gone, so you get x equal to 5. Okay, and so once you get the two intercept points, then you just plot those 2 points. So 0, 5. Okay, over here, and then you get 5, 0. And then you connect the two intercepts, and there would be a graph. Okay. And make sure you have the arrows on the end, so it shows that the graph goes on. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have 3x minus 4y equal to 12. Okay, so you can use set x equal to 0. So if it's 0, you cover it up. Then you kind of have to do it mentally. So divide by -4. 12 divided by -4 on both sides. So you're going to get -3. Okay? Or you can just check. -3 times -4 give you 12. Okay? And then do the reverse. So you're going to get y equal to 0. So this is gone. And then, so the x will equal to 4. Right? 3 times 4 will give you 12. So again, that's your intercept points. Okay, so that's your x, that's your y. So first point is 0, -3. So over here, so that's your intercept point. And then the next one is 4, 0. Now make sure you keep track of your x and the y. The first number is x, second number is y. Okay, and then again connect the two dots, and that would be the graph for number 4. Let's go to the next one. Okay, number 6, you have y equal to -3. Now for this one, you don't even need to get a point. Okay, you can just think of a number line. Okay, so y equal to -3. So think about, don't even worry about the x. Okay, all you have to do is look at the y. Okay, so over here y equal to 0, then over here y equal to -1, -2, -3. Okay, so this over here, but because it's two-dimensional, so you need to make this hash longer, and so you just go and make it longer like this. Okay, and there would be a graph for number 6. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 8, you have x equal to 9. So you can think of a number line. So x equal to 9. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you can list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you don't have to write the numbers. I'm just writing the numbers so you can follow what I'm doing. Okay, so here's your x equal to 9. Okay, now because when you have only one dimension, that's little hash, right? But when you deal with two dimensions, you just make the hash longer, become a line. And that's it for number 8. Okay, the next one, number 10, you have x plus 1 equal to 0. Now this has only one variable. Okay, when you have only one variable in one equation, you can solve. So you can just minus 1 on both sides. So you get x equal to -1. So again, you can just graph that already. Okay, so x equal to -1. And so right over here, so that's going to be the graph. Okay. And do the same thing for number 12. You got y plus 2 equal to 0. So again, you only have one variable, so you can solve. So -2 on both sides. So you got y equal to -2. And to graph that, so that's your x, that's your y. And so get your hash marks. So you can let your -1, -2, right? So here's your y equal to -2. And because it's two-dimensional, you just make the hash mark longer, and that would be your graph for number 12. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 14, you got 2x equal to 5y plus 10. Now, in this case, what you want to do is you want to make it into the standard form. So make into one of the nice forms, so it's easier to do. So minus 5y on both sides. So you got 2x minus 5y equal to 10. Then from here you can get the intercepts. Okay. So set x equal to 0. So if x equal to 0, this is gone. And so you can just divide by negative 5, so you go to negative 2. And you want to do a quick check, right? Negative 5 times negative 2, right? Y equal to negative 2. So negative 5 times negative 2 give you 10. Yeah, so do a quick check just to avoid careless mistakes. Okay, so next you let y equal to 0. And the reason you choose 0 because that's the easiest number to deal with. So that y equal to 0, so this is gone. So x would be 5, right? Again, 2 times 5 give you 10. Okay. And again, when you're doing your graphing, that's your intercept points. So first point is 0, negative 2. Okay, so that's that point over here. Next point is 5, 0. And so connect the two intercepts, and that would be the graph. Okay. Now you always can make a table, but a table is the most primitive way of doing it, and it takes too long. So this is a quicker way of doing it. Okay. Let's go to number 16. You have x equal to negative 5y. Now in this case, you probably can just go and make the table. Okay, so x and the y. So in this case, since the y is on this side, you want to choose a value for y. So if y equal to 0, negative 5 times 0 will give you 0. So again, depends on what it's giving. Some problem is easier to use the intercept method. In this case, it probably easier just going to choose the point. Okay, and then after that, you can just go and choose like a 2. Okay, again, you can choose any number. So if y equal to 2 times negative 5 will give you negative 10. Okay. And then again, you just go ahead and get your points. So first point is 0, 0, is right over here. Next point is negative 10, 2. Okay, so 10 and negative 10, 2. So it's going to be negative 10 go up 2. And so connect the two dots, and it would be the graph. And normally you want to label your x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, number 18, you got y equal to negative 2x. Okay, so this one you can do it different ways. So again, you can make the x and the y. So if you let x equal to 0, then y will equal to 0. And again, probably choose, 1 is probably a bit too close together. So maybe let x equal to 2 and y will equal to negative 4. Okay. So first point is 0, 0. Next point is 2, negative 4. Okay, and then just go and connect the two dots. Okay. So this is another way to do this is by using the slope-intercept form. This is same as y equal to negative 2x plus 0. Okay, so that's your starting point. So you start right over here, and your slope. Okay, so you put this 2 over 1. So that means you have to go down 2, go over 1, right? The top number is to go up or down, and this is go sideways. So you go down 2 over 1, go down 2 over 1. Okay, so you can go down 2 over 1, 2 over 1. Okay, so that's what the slope will do. And again, you can get those points, and you can get your graph. Okay, next one, number 20. you have 6 minus y equal to x. So for this one, I'm going to move this over, so plus y, because this is not a really nice form. So you got 6 equal to x plus y, and I'm going to just flip it over, so x plus y equal to 6. Okay. And again, from here, you can go and get your intercept points. Okay, so let x equal to 0. So let x equal to 0, then y equal to 6. And if you let y equal to 0, then x equal to 6. Okay, so again, now when you're doing your graphing, so 0, 6. Okay, so that's your 0, 6, and then you got 6, 0. And you connect the two dots. Okay, and that's it for that graph. Next one, number 22, you have y equal to negative x. Okay, so you can make the table if you want to, or you can just use a slope-intercept form. So notice it says no number, that means you start at 0, okay? And then the slope is negative 1 over 1, and that means you go down 1. Okay, let's go and do this. Okay, so negative 1, you put it into a fraction. So the top number is for up and down, the bottom number is to go sideways. So negative 1 means you go down 1, and you go over 1, go down, so put a point over, go down 1, go over 1, go down 1, go over 1. So all these points you connect, you get this line. Okay. So again, this number is your starting number, that's your intercept. Okay. That's no number means it's 0. And the slope tells you go down 1, go over 1, go down 1, go over 1. Okay. Or if you make the table, okay, you can start with 0, 0. Okay, if you lay x equal to 1, you get y equal to negative 1. X equal to 2, you get negative 2. Right? So it's same thing. Right? 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2. Right? So you can do either method. So again, there are many ways to solve a problem. Okay, next one, you got y equal to 3 over 4x plus 1. Okay, so this is called a slope-intercept form. So this is your intercept, and this is your slope. Okay. So this one you don't even, if you know what you're doing, you don't even need to waste your time to make a table for it. Okay, so over here you start, this is your intercept. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So that's your intercept. So 1 is your intercept. Now, when you have fraction, this is your slope. The top number to tell you to, if it's positive, you go up, negative, you go down, and this one is to go side. Right? Again, this is for the y, this is for the x. So from here, you go up 3, and then you go over 4. Okay, so you go up 3 over 4. Okay, and that's your new point. And you can repeat the pattern, go up 3 over 4, up 3 over 4. Okay, so that's going to do that. So you go up 3, and you go over 4. Okay. It's a lot easier if you have graph paper. Okay. But again, that's what this is for. So 1 is your starting point, and you up 3 over 4, up 3 over 4. Right. Again, top number is for up and down. For the y, the bottom number is for the x to go sideways. Okay, next one. Okay, you have 9x equal to 18 plus 2y. So again, this is not a nice form, so I'm going to move this over. So you got 9x minus 2y equal to 18. Okay, so get your intercept. So let x equal to 0. And and so divide by -2, you get -9. And you can check, right? -2 times -9 give you 18. Then you set y equal to 0, and then x will equal to 2, right? 9 times 2 give you 18. Okay, so now you can go and get your graph paper. So first point is 0, -9. So 0, -9. Okay, so that's over here. So 0, -9. Next point is 2, 0. That's 2, 0, and so your graph would be like this. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, so A, graph the two lines on the same set of axes. Name the ordered pair corresponding to the point where the two lines intersect. Okay, so you got two equations. You got 3x minus 4y equal to -12. And you have 3x plus y equal to 18. Okay. So let's get our intercept points. So if you did x equal to 0, then y will equal to 3. -4 times 3 give you -12, right? Then you let y equal to 0, and so it will be -4. I can check. 3 times -4 give you -12. Okay, on this one, you let x equal to 0, then y will equal to 18. Okay, and then if you let y equal to 0, then x will equal to 6. 3 times 6 give you 18. Okay, so let's go and graph this. So let's graph this one first. So you got 0, 3, so 0, and then 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you got -4, 0. Now when you graph, make sure you do one at a time, okay, and make sure you're done before you go on to the next one. Okay, so this is -4, 0. Okay, so connect that. Okay, so that's the first one. Now let's graph this one. You got 0, 18. Okay. Okay, so there's 0, 18, then you got 6, 0. Okay, and then you graph that. Okay, so let's do the first part. I graph the two on the same graph. B, name the ordered pair corresponding to the point where the two lines intersect. So the two lines intersect right over here. So it looks like down here. So this point looks like it's 4, 6.